Guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Our today's video will be about printer sharing. So I'll take you through now to share a printer locally. This is a local printer, LaserJet M102A. It has no internet port. So the printer is installed in one of the computers in my local network. So I'm going to log to that computer remotely so that I show you how to do those configuration. So just come to the search button here. You make sure that the other computer you have enabled remote connection. I'll show you that for the purpose of this video, because if I was not doing the recording, I could physically move to the other computer and do the configuration. But if you want to do it remotely, I'm going to show you how to enable remote connection. So let me log to that computer. I've already enabled the remote connection to it. So just go to remote connection, and the name of the computer is ICT1. You can either connect with the IP address, but I know the computer name, which is okay. Then click connect. Let me now log to that computer. Okay, I've logged to the computer where the printer is installed. So I just come to printers. So the printer which is installed here, the one I want to configure is this one here. So just left click, then now you click manage, and then printer properties, click sharing, then click this one here, then share. So you can rename your printer. Let me rename my printer, or you just leave it like that, ICT printer. Then now you click OK. Okay, after that you will go to network sharing. Then now you can come to Ethernet, then go to advanced sharing option, so that you make sure that you enable the discovery. So let's start here. Okay, turn on network discovery. Mine is already turned on. If it is off, you make sure that it's turned on, so that you are able to discover that printer. Then file sharing also is turned on. Make sure you turn yours on. Okay, this one is also turned on. Okay, it's turned on. And but for the password protection, also make it is turned on. This one will protect you from unauthorized access. Okay, just checking if everything is okay. Then after that, you just save the changes. Already mine were configured okay, but once you do that, those changes, you click change, save the changes. So after that, now before I disconnect the remote connection, let me show you how to enable desktop remote connection. So you just come to Windows search button here, then you click allow remote connection. You search, then now you can click that, then you go and click on show settings here. By default, it is usually configured not to allow remote connection, but once you come here, you can check on that just the way I've checked on that, this one here. Then now you can apply. With that, you will be able to log to different machines within the same network. So now what I'm going to do is to go back to my computer now, so that I can connect to the machine where the printer is connected, which is this one here, which I've just logged remotely to. So let me close end the remote connection. Now I'm back to my computer and I want to connect to that particular printer. What I'm going to do now is just to press Window R button on the keyboard, then using the backslash, then you are now going to connect to the computer again. So you can use the IP address here to connect to the computer, but I will not advise on that. The reason is, if you can use the IP address and it is not a static, it is dynamic, it will continue to change and you will not be able to discover the printer at a go. You see if you use the IP and it is dynamic, it will be changing. So if it is static, it is okay, but I will advise you use the computer name. So I have my computer name ICT1, then I can click OK. So you can see my printer here now, ICT printer, and this is the printer that I want to connect to. Now I'll just come here and right click, then I say connect. As simple as that. That's how you do it. Yeah, that's how you do it. So what you will ensure that the computer where the printer is connected is always on, so that you are able to send the jobs. If it is off, you are not going to print. So you make sure that the printer where the computer where the printer is installed is always on, so that you can send the jobs. So I can test something here. So let's say I want to print this particular document here. Yeah, I just want to see if that printer is visible. Yeah, this is the printer. Yeah, okay, you can see that this is the printer. So if I want to send the job to the printer, I just say print. Yeah, okay, so and it will be printing. Thank you guys for watching, and you can continue to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you.